Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video I'll be reviewing, unboxing and testing the Wunder360 camera. So basically what this is, it's a really kind of small camera that does a 360 degrees view. You're able to do 4K and live streaming. So here are all the features on the side just before I unbox this thing. So as you can see the video size and all of that kind of stuff. You can live stream to Facebook, YouTube and probably some other websites. This is compatible with iOS and Android, and it also includes micro SD card support to store the video files on. So here's the back. It just tells you about where to download the apps. You can get it from the Google Play or the App Store. So what I'm going to do now is just unbox this thing. So here is the camera itself. You can literally just pull it out, and it's got quite a decent weight to it. It's really lightweight. I'll just give you a quick demo of the camera. So you've got a screen down here which tells you some options. You've got a record button if you want to start recording on the camera. Right here there's a small side panel which you can open. Inside of this it has a micro SD card slot and a micro USB slot so you can charge it. There's two buttons up here. It's got a menu button and a power button. On the side here it's just got a Wi-Fi button so you can connect it to your phone. And at the bottom of it, it just has a screw so you can screw this thing to a tripod or any kind of mount. So there's a few other things inside of the box. So it comes with its own USB charging cable if you didn't already have one. It's just in there, it's just the basic one. And it also comes with a I believe that's an audio jack to micro USB, so that's kind of interesting adapter. In this small piece of cardboard here, it just comes with the user manual. You can scroll through this if you want to. I don't really need it. It's fairly simple to set up as it is. So the camera doesn't come with its own micro SD card, so you will need to have one spare. Right here I've just got a 32GB SanDisk Ultra. So right now I'm just going to show you how to set it up on Android. The app can be found on the Google Play Store. This is exactly the same for iPhones as well. You just get the app off the Apple App Store. So anyway, once you've got the app installed, it's just called Wunder360. Go ahead and open it up. Once the app's open, you just want to go ahead and power on your camera. To do that, you just want to hold the power button. It will bleep just to let you know it's powering on. It's going to say hello right there. So as you can see, mine just says no SD card. So what I'm going to do now is just plug in the SD card. But on this screen you can see it has the recording feature, the Wi-Fi feature and the battery percentage. Okay, so it's read my SD card. So now what you want to do, you just want to make sure that the Wi-Fi is on. So it seems to be on this. You can always just hold it. That turns it off, and then hold it again. So once the Wi-Fi is on, what you want to do, you want to go onto your settings on your device, click on the Wi-Fi, and you want to wait for this Wi-Fi to appear on the list. So mine has now come up. It's Pano and then a load of numbers. Yours might be any number. All you want to do is just connect to it. So as you can see, I'm connected. Now guys, if you need the password is just 128. So 12345678 is the password, no spaces or anything like that. So once you're connected, you can just click OK. Now what I'm going to do is just open up the app again. And now what you can do is just click on the camera button down here. And then as you can see, the camera is working. So you can scroll around it like that, just like you would on a 360 camera. This is actually really cool, so you can see how bad my setup is right now. But yeah guys, I'm really impressed. So I've actually already recorded some footage with this. That was really cool. If you scroll and actually look at the camera itself, it will just display the camera's logo. So I'm just going to show you guys some other footage that I have recorded using this camera. Right guys, so here is the Wunder360 camera. I'm just going to be showing you guys some cool bike clips and stuff like that. I also are going to be mounting this to my bike handlebars so you guys can see you know, how good it is. So now I'm going to show you guys the footage. Guys, so here is one of the videos running with Windows 10 movies and TV. So it's in about, I'd say the quality running through this in Windows 10 isn't that great, but this is basically your only way of watching 360 videos inside of Windows 10. So as you can see, you can't zoom out or anything like that. It does have a 360 option down here which you can turn on or off. As obviously turning it off improves the quality a great deal, but it's definitely watchable. As you can see, the gyro in this thing is very good as well. There is sound to the video as well, but the sound is so quiet. I've got it on 100% now and I still can't really hear anything. So I'm not sure if this is just my camera or all of them, but keep in mind that the sound on these isn't the greatest thing. So this is what it looks like when you upload the 360 clip straight to YouTube. So as you can see, the quality is in 1080p S60, so 1080p 60 FPS, even though it doesn't really look like 1080p. As you can see, the Wunder logo has gone once you've actually got the video, but it's definitely in 360. So guys, if you just want to see everything you have taken, all you have to do is just click this button right here. This is going to show you everything that is in your gallery. So these are all of the sort of videos and stuff I've taken. Let me just give you a quick demo of this cycling video I've got here. So as you can see, this is just me and my friend out cycling, and I'm able to do a complete 360 rotation, and the gyro in this thing is insane. So keep in mind, in this video I'm going over loads of leaves and sticks and stuff like that, and the camera is hardly moving at all. So if you guys want a nice cycling dash cam, I would definitely recommend this. It's probably even better than the GoPro when it comes to stabilization. I could have mounted it a bit better, but I didn't really have the best mount at the time, but it was still very much usable. If you guys want to save the picture, all you have to do is just tap it, then go to download. From there it's just going to download to your phone's internal storage. So right now it's just downloading. You can always just back out. So just give it a few seconds to download. Right now it's just copying it across from the SD card to my phone's storage. You can always keep it on the SD card. You can plug the SD card into your computer and back up the files that way. There's plenty of ways you can get the files off the SD card onto any device you want to. Okay, so it's finished downloading, so I can just go back. I can click on local, and as you can see, it is now on my phone's internal storage. So you can also watch it in landscape mode. You can literally zoom in and out like that to get any angle you want to. You can even do like a kind of bubble like this and just spin all the way around. So just on the app right here, I just want to quickly show you guys all of the settings. So we've got 60 FPS, time-lapse, video looping, video, photo, continuous, timer and other stuff. You've also got a live option right here where you can click that, but you will need to switch to USB connection to that. So I would recommend probably using 60 FPS for the best. The quality goes down a bit on 60 FPS, but it's just the smoothest when you're recording. Right guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys would like to buy one, please check out the first link in the description. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.